Bitcoin is breaking down from the falling wedge formation like we have been saying in yesterday's video. This is the move that we have been anticipating, and if you have been watching this YouTube channel, then this move shouldn't come as a surprise, because for the last couple of weeks we are actually just waiting for that move down going into this red box. And to make it very clear, guys, this red box isn't necessarily there based on the price to our target, but the red box is there basically in terms of time, because what we are doing right here on the channel is we are analyzing the price based on time, which means that Bitcoin can bottom also right here, also right here, or right here. It really depends on where Bitcoin is trading is on a specific time. And right now we did expect this move down. Bitcoin broke down. Now it's just time to wait for Bitcoin to form a low, to form that bottom. And after we form that bottom, we most likely can return into this uptrend pretty quickly, if you ask me. And yeah, most likely gonna get some nice long positions and some nice accumulation going on, and also some nice shopping into altcoins and BRC20 or Bitcoin NFTs. Guys, I'm going to share that information over on WhaleAlerts. If you are interested in getting into WhaleAlerts, make sure to join with signing up on one of these exchanges down below this video. But yeah, guys, that was it for today's short update. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, make sure to smash up that like button, guys. That is very much appreciated. And I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.